let's review a file that we recently closed in Rosedale, Queens here. It was a single family by an investor who purchased 10 plus properties already and converts a single family into a two family down the line, right? So this is what the property looks like. It is for $700,000, single family here. And he put down 30% down payment, okay? If you have a lot of properties, that means you have a lot of liability as well. So all your mortgage payments, they are part of your monthly liability, and his was over $47,000, okay? In a typical household, we see monthly liability less than $1,000. Okay, there were two borrowers on this file, and the middle score for the second borrower was 689. And household income, both were business owners. They were making over $353,000 there. This property taxes for this property was $5,327, and home insurance nearly $2,000. Okay, and they went with a non-QM loan because they couldn't qualify based on their QM, and for their loan amount was $490,000. The interest rate that they received was 6.75, and their principal and interest was $3,178. Okay, so you see all these no's, but then you all of a sudden you see a yes here. What does that mean? This is a prepayment penalty. He's going with a non-QM loan. If he was to refinance in the first 5 years, he may end up paying $13,000 for a penalty for paying this loan off earlier. So if you're a first-time home buyer, you want all the sections to say no. If you're an investor and you see this yes, you just got to make sure you know what you're getting into. Okay, there's no balloon payment on this, and we mentioned principal and interest was nearly $3,200, but also escrow account $611, which will cover your property taxes and home insurance when that time comes. So collectively, his payment is going to be $3,790. Closing cost was $29,000, and origination charges, right? If it's a non-QM loan, you're going to pay origination charges a lot higher. Otherwise, you should be paying just the underwriting fees, okay? Services that you did not shop for, your appraisal fees, your credit report, collectively, all of them put together, including the lender fees, was $2,200 there. Okay, title company charged them $2,600, and the recording fees, this is your government fees, nearly $9,300. That depends on which county that you're purchasing the property in. Prepaids, these are the services that he already paid for, including home insurance, was $2,800. And the escrow account that we're starting off with, nearly $1,800 there. Okay, so collectively his closing cost was $29,000. So if you're an investor thinking about doing a flip or buying a single family and converting into two family, maybe we can help you out. If you need any help, please get in touch.